JT's Keys and Locks has been informing the public of predator locksmiths that lurk online. In this video, we regret to inform you that online reviews are becoming less reliable. Here are a few advertisements attempting to sell us fraudulent reviews. In this message, the person is saying, I can give you 5-star ratings, and at the very bottom, we have a big team for review service. So this is a huge industry. And right there, there's a list of all the different platforms that they can manipulate. And in this advertisement, it just doubles down that they can get you the reviews that can't be removed. It makes you wonder how many legitimate businesses are being harmed by this type of predator activity. Word of mouth is crucial and the best way to do business. So please, call the service provider you are wanting to hire and get to know them. In times like these, it is more important than ever to keep each other safe and informed. JT's Keys and Locks, keeping your whole world safe.